Before installation, the car should be clean and dry. We recommend using jacks. Before installation, remove the original diffuser, disconnect the electrical connectors, and remove the bumper. Protect the edge of the bumper that the rear diffuser adheres to so that it is not damaged during installation. Remove the reflectors from the original diffuser, then mount them to the carbon diffuser. Mount the carbon diffuser on the bumper in the same way as it will be done in the end. Check carefully that all the mounting locations match those on the diffuser. Check carefully that the diffuser fits at the edges. Mark the verticals of the carbon diffuser with masking tape on the edges, then remove the carbon diffuser. If the car has PPF or ceramic coating, remove a section of the PPF or ceramic coating where the side risers of the carbon diffuser are mounted. Undecalling where the side risers of the carbon diffuser. Remove small pieces of protective film from the double-sided tape located on the side risers of the carbon diffuser and bend them to the side. Then place the carbon diffuser on the bumper and place the side risers on the bumper as marked with masking tape. Then remove the whole thing together with the bumper from the car. After removing the bumper with the carbon diffuser, check that all the diffuser mounting lugs are in the bumper mounting holes. Then mount the sensors in the dedicated holes in the carbon diffuser and connect them to the wiring in the bumper. Screw a screw from the assembly kit into each carbon diffuser mounting lug so that the screw blocks the possibility of the lug sliding out of the mounting hole in the bumper. After screwing the carbon diffuser to the bumper, place the bumper with the diffuser on the car. Connect all electrical plugs and prepare the bumper for reinstallation. Screw the bumper using the original screws. In some places, you should also screw the screws through the carbon diffuser mounting elements. Screw the side parts of the bumper to the rest of the car and secure the clips. Then remove the masking tape and the rest of the protective film from the double-sided tape on the side risers of the diffuser. Using a heater, carefully heat the tape securing the side risers and press them to the bumper. Place the second part of the carbon diffuser from the bottom of the car and screw it in place with screws. The screw should be in each hole that secures the second part of the carbon diffuser.